Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Along with the rest of the country, the state of Meghalaya through the Sports and Youth Affairs Department had also celebrated National Sports Day on the 29th of August 2022 at a function that was held at the Soso Tham Auditorium, Shillong. The Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, P Wahlang, graced the occasion as chief guest, while others present included the Vice Presidents of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, Matsiewdor War Nongbri and S Swett, besides state government officials, athletes, sportspersons, students and others. While various football teams were given a send-off to New Delhi for their participation in the upcoming Subroto Mukherjee Cup, around 400 athletes from 21 sports disciplines were also felicitated with certificates and cash awards. The Sports and Youth Affairs Department also felicitated Kmoin Wahlang with the Lifetime Achievement Award for being the only septuagenarian distance long runner in the state. Addressing the gathering of sportspersons, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, P Wahlang, thanked the Sports Department for its readiness and support to athletes in their endeavour to bring laurels to the state of Meghalaya through various international and national events. At the same time, he also encouraged hard work among sportspersons as they gear up to participate in the upcoming Northeast Games to be hosted by the state.
I would like to congratulate the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs for organizing this day, and also to recognize the efforts of all the sports persons of the state. They have given their time, they have invested their energy towards their passion, towards their love in sports, and after achieving at various levels, international, national, regional, I'm happy that today the government is recognizing their achievements and giving them cash awards. And you'll carry on, you'll work harder. Remember that success is never final and failure is never fatal. Therefore, work hard, work for more, and understand that this is just one stepping stone. The government is taking all efforts to ensure that we build a good sports ecosystem in the state. In the month of October, you'll be having the Northeast Festival as well as the Northeast Games, which will spread up to the month of November. And I want that all of you, those who have been awarded today, to work hard and to achieve something more spectacular during the Northeast Games. We need to collect more medals. We have always been underachievers. Therefore, in this forthcoming Northeast Games, I request all of you to work hard, to achieve hard, and to ensure that our state garner more medals.